Hello and welcome to day 19 of the 30-day yoga and Pilates challenge. Today we are doing a yoga flow for hip opening. We're gonna start in the easy pose, Sukhasana. Drop your shoulders down and back. You can draw some hip circles here in this position, really gently. Rest your hands on your thighs, and then you can switch sides. Keep moving slowly. Okay, and now bound angle, Baddha Konasana. Soles of your feet together, maintain a flat back from head to tailbone. Press the hips down, knees bent out to the sides. Pull shoulder blades together to open chest. Lean forward, maintain a flat back from head to tailbone. Now let's do a cow face pose only for the legs. So cross legs one on top of the other one. Knee over knee. You can grab your big toes and just hold here. Try to keep your back straight. Raise the crown of the head up to lengthen the spine. And hold here. Now let's do the other leg on top. Cross the legs, one on top of the other one. Knee above the bottom knee. Breathe, lengthen the spine. And take your time, enjoy. Okay, uncross your legs, tabletop position. From here we're gonna press into down dog, tuck your toes, press hips back and up. Bicycle your legs. Okay, and slowly walk your feet toward your hands. You can bicycle your legs one more time here. Keep your back flat and rise up. Amazing. We're going to be doing some Surya Namaskara A, sun salutations. Inhale, hands up. Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, hands down, folding forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, jump back or step, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, Down dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Pushing hips towards the sky. We're gonna hold here for 5 breaths. And now with the next inhale, jump in halfway. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, Samastiti. Inhale, arms up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. And exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, 3-legged, right leg up. Then bend the knee to open the hip. Hold there and breathe. And now inhale, drive the right knee towards the chest, step back into down dog. Inhale, left leg up for 3-legged, open the hip, bend the knee. Inhale, knee towards chest, exhale, down dog. Inhale, jump into Malasana. Okay, feet wider than your hips, toes out, pressing your knees with your elbows, with your arms, opening the knees, lengthening the spine. From head to tailbone, one straight line. Placing hands down, rising hips up into wide standing forward fold, and inhale, lift arms up. Exhale, palms in front of the heart center and Samastitihi. Nicely done. Open the leg and face the other side of the mat. Open your toes. We're gonna go into the goddess pose now. Lower your hips down, soften your shoulders, squeeze the glutes, press into the outer edge of both feet. Lengthen up through the tip of the crown. Stay here and just keep breathing. Maintain that goddess pose. Knees stacked over the front ankle. And rise up. Okay. We're gonna repeat one more time. And lower down, hold, tailbone reaches down, hip bones reach up, draw navel towards spine, hold here, again press into the outer edge of both feet and rise up. Nicely done. Okay, feet together. My very favorite balancing pose, tree pose. Inhale, arms up and your right knee up. Arms over the head, palms together. Engage the core, turn the knee towards the wall or just towards the side. Press foot into the floor, the bottom foot, and just rest the heel against the leg. The heel should be placed either above or below the knee and not directly on the knee joint. And slowly down. We're gonna repeat on the other side. So inhale, arms and left knee up. And from here, try to rest the heel against the leg. Optionally, you can do it over the ankle or on the side of the shin, but just try not to press directly into the knee joint. Arms up over the head. Engage the core to help you with the balance. Breathe and stay here just a little longer. And lower down. Nicely done. Pounce in front of the heart center, then lower down. And again, Malasana. That's a great hip opener. Maintain flat back, lengthen the spine. And slowly sit down, grab your toes. And now we're gonna try, it's a really challenging pose. We're gonna try to open into a V-sit with both legs straight. It's a little bit tricky to find your balance, especially if the surface is not good. Okay, I'm struggling here a little bit, but I'm gonna keep trying. Open the legs, keep them straight, find your balance and just keep breathing. Engage your core. Nicely done. Okay, now open the legs to the side. Okay, we're gonna keep the legs open to the sides and we're gonna fold forward, keeping the back straight. Breathe and hold. And slowly up. Now slowly roll down, lay down. We're gonna do the supine version of the pigeon pose. So ankle over the opposite knee, hook the hip, and just enjoy the stretch. Push your knee away from you. And switch. Hug your knees. And we're gonna finish with the reclining bound angle or Supta Baddha Konasana. Heels close to the hips, bottom of the feet together. Push low back into the mat, arms along the floor. And of course, option, close your eyes. Take your time. And just enjoy. This is our final resting pose. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Go enjoy your day. Be good. Feel good. And stay active. See you tomorrow.